Printing the Rain Check Long Range Planner. Printing the Rack Long Range Planner. If you need a long range planner, you can print the rack view. But don't just use the print button or else you'll likely get too many papers for days you don't need. There are a couple things to do first. Check the Show Range box. This will remove all dates except the dates selected in from and to. At first, it'll probably just show one column, today. Select the dates you want to see. For instance, select to date 10 days from today. If you only want to see a certain site type, select it by dropping down the All Sites Type list. You can choose a single type or class, or you can use the advanced option to select multiple types to show, or even individual sites of your choice. Once it shows you all you want, you can click on the print icon right here.